Well, hello, it's Mark Albert, and tonight I just wanted to give a big thank you. I was just with a group of people in Brampton at a financial workshop. We were with RCCG Canada with their local parish church, the Lord's Cedar. And what a wonderful workshop we had. Great people there, incredible. And I had the privilege of sharing a speaker. We also had Adejisola from RBC Canada, and she was there. She did a wonderful job speaking, and then we both spoke, and then we both had a panel. Great questions. I think it was really good learning for everyone. And I just want to thank everyone for that. A special thank you to Pastor Hannah for organizing this event and allowing them to service the community in their area. Listen, great to have met all of you. Have yourselves a wonderful day and much success to you in your finances. Take care.